Greetings. My name's Tom Trayer. I'm with Trayer Engineering. We'd like to invite you on a short, leisurely tour through our manufacturing facility here in San Francisco. Trayer's been manufacturing distribution switchgear since 1962. Trayer brought to market in 1971 the very first submersible vacuum switchgear. Shortly thereafter, we came to market with the very first vacuum fault interrupter. What I'd like to do today is walk you through our factory, introduce you to some of the people that build our switchgear. Then I'll take you into some of our fabrication areas where you'll see some of our high technology equipment. We'll take a look at some of the assembly processes, and you'll get to look at some of this equipment in various stages of fabrication. So let's take a walk. Safety first. Eric, can you explain to us just briefly what this system does and how it operates?
Well, this is a Fanuc ArcMate 100, and what it does basically is does all the welding over on one side of the table while I load from the other. It's sitting on top of a Aronson pneumatic turning table that turns 180 degrees. And then continues to weld as I load the parts. And right now what we're doing is building some of the switch frames and internal parts for the switching unit.
Great. Thank you, and thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Now, what we'll do is we'll walk over to our new laser processing center and take a look at that. Francois, could you describe to us just what this laser equipment is and what it's capable of doing?
Okay, we have a Trump TCL 4030S laser. It'll handle sheet sizes up to 7 feet wide by approximately 13 feet long. It has a 3,000 watt resonator, and it's a CO2 laser. Here's some 5/8 inch thick stainless steel. Notice the sizes of the holes and how close they are to the outside edge of the part. You can also see the flatness of a finished part. Now let's look at the other end of the spectrum. As I pivot the sample part back and forth, you can see the fine edges and thickness of each horizontal cut. You can also see the amount of control and accuracy that we exact over our cutting process, which ultimately results in consistent quality Trayer switchgear. After programming, the NC program is sent through our network to the PC built into the laser here. Our operator is splitting the program right now, so it sends the information to all the various processors inside the machine. Now it's beginning to cut the very first part. This is one of 12 unique parts that's nested on the sheet.
Thank you, Francois. You're watching one of the largest laser processing centers in the western states. With automatic pallet changing, we can load and unload while the laser is operating. What you see here are all of the body parts for a complete SCADATEC pad-mounted unit, all neatly nested in a single sheet of material. With accuracy of a few thousandths of an inch, we can now produce higher quality parts faster and with less waste. Pretty cool stuff, huh?